Boom! So now you know. I'm extremely happy to be officially back in the Canyon family again. And it feels crazy to even say that, because Canyon was actually the first ever pro contract that I signed back in the days when I competed all over the world. And then after a few years of injuries, like you guys know, I got over it and didn't really want to continue competing and do this for a living. So it feels really, really nice, and I'm honored to be back in the Canyon family and that they're believing in me again now when I want to start this new chapter of riding in my career. So with that said, all these boxes have started showing up again, and I'm extremely stoked, and it's time to build some bikes. Boom! So I figured, let's unbox and bike build this Canyon Stitch 720, the slope bike. Nice gray. Pretty sick color, eh? Matte gray, so sick. Oh yeah. Sick. See this? Love the matte finish on this one. So just gonna switch some parts and yeah, let's build this thing. So yeah, there we have it, matte gray frame, looking so sick. And now I'm just gonna swap out the wheels to my wheels with some profile hubs and Continental tires, and then also put on the title parts, the bar, stem, seat post and seat. And yeah, it's gonna look sick. So we got the stem, and look at these boxes, how sick aren't they? The magnetic. So sick. Nice one, title. So we got the stem, the ST1, and then the AH1 bar, 25mm rise. Let's get these things on. Let's get that top cap off. And then I was too eager and I forgot to film when I cut the bar down and mounted it to the stem, and also put on some matching grips to the frame. We got the oil slick title bolts, and I cut the bars down to 730mm. And I'm just gonna mount it now. There we go. Top cap. Boom. Starting to look like a bike. Alright, let's get this new front wheel on. Alright, let's now also change out the rear wheel. Got this chain tensioner in the frame, which is pretty sweet. Let's get this new wheel on. Got the fully carbon seat post. The whole thing is carbon. It's so light, even these plates. Everything but the bolts. So this is extremely light and so sick. So we're gonna get this thing on as well. Paired up with the JS1 seat, the dirt jump seat from Tidal. Got the boxing again. So nice. Let's get this seat on the seat post, which is the last piece of the puzzle. Then the bike build is finished. Seat clamp. And then we're just gonna put some carbon fiber grip on the seat post so it doesn't slide around the frame. Comes with the box when you order these things. Get some on there. Spread that out a little bit. And then we're ready. Final piece of the bike build puzzle. Boom, it's done. Canyon Stitch 720, and it's getting pretty dark out, but we managed to finish it in time. So yeah, super stoked on it looks. Matte gray. What do you guys think? Thanks for watching.
Yeah. You must be blinded by the lights. We came to shine here. Watch it look daytime in the night. We bring the vibes here.